So if I were to go around over here on the settings, then you can find a URL right here. If I were to copy it and share this out with others, then they will be able to view and comment on this particular project. But if I were to go around and turn this off, turn the view and comment off, then they won't be able to view even if they have the link until you turn the view and comment back on. You can also allow others to edit instead of just viewing and commenting as well. So this makes it a public link where it allows the people with the link to actually go around and make changes to the file as well. And you can allow others to load out the URL as well. So if I were to go around and turn this on right here, then what happens is that only you will be able to access out the URL. But if I were to go around and choose allow others, then others without logging in will be able to go around and then utilize this URL as well. So that is how you can go around and maintain out the privacy of the of your project right here, by turning on or off the URL right here, or allowing others to edit as you like, just like this, as per how you want. So that is how you can change around the view, comment, and edit settings inside a Vectr. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.